On the left navigation menu of your website builder, click on the paintbrush icon to access the Global Styling window. Inside of the Global Styling window, click on Add Fonts. In the Add Fonts window, you will be able to add different fonts to the global styling of your website builder. Click on the Add Fonts button. In the Select Font window, scroll down the list of loaded fonts and click on the font you wish to add. Your newly selected font will now be available to use on your website builder. To upload a custom font, which may have been previously downloaded onto your computer, click on Upload Custom Font. Type a name in for the new font. Before uploading a custom font, ensure that the font is downloaded in the correct format. Then click on the Upload block to upload your custom font. Then click on Add. Once you have added all the fonts you wish to use on your website, then click Confirm.